trenutka kada je riječ frama prevedena s talijanskog džifra i nastala na
Look at this,
putu
this is amazing.
sve do danas.
I'm on the way to the risen Christ, and look at this. This is this meeting of Rama. It's for young people who live in the spirituality and the joy of St. Francis, and they have a meeting, a celebration of 30 years. And look, they're all from all over Herzegovina and coming here and celebrating their organization. Isn't that beautiful? I will just let you take you a little bit around. Isn't that beautiful? So many people. And there we can see. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Oh, you can get some merchandising. Isn't that beautiful?
Sastalo se u našoj središnjici u Mostaru i prebralo sami početak arhiv. I evo, baš je zanimljivo kako je to sve zapravo počelo, kako je to
and they seem to be from all over Herzegovina. As I see this now, this is amazing, it's beautiful to see. And you can see it's all over the place. They're celebrating here in the back of St. James Church in Medjugorje 30 years, and it's just wonderful to see all these young people. And I wish you all, I'll leave you with this beautiful view. If you like this little tour and impression of this festival of Frama, and give a like, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and look at this. There you go. Wow, what you all can get. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful merchandising. That is beautiful. Hello. You speak English? No? Thank you. And it's very, very nice. If you want to see an interview, I interviewed one of the persons of Frama. We'll link it. It's next to, in the end of this video, you can see this interview, and she talks a bit about Frama and what the festival is all about. Hello. You speak English? Yes? Oh, can you explain me? Oh, there's somebody who speaks English. Can you explain me what this is about? Just in short sentence. How would you describe Frama? Frama is the name, no?
Yes, but I'm not good.
Just in 2 words. Frama is about.
Jel mogu na hrvatski?
Uh-huh.
Pa vi prevedite.
You speak English? Just in English.
Maybe.
The lady over there? Yeah, don't worry. So it's about Franciscan spirituality, no? That's what somebody told me. And you follow the books of St. Francis?
Sveti Franjo. U nas Sveti Franjo.
Wow, unbelievable. And it's 30 years now, right? The festival of 30 years?
We celebrate.
Wow, beautiful. And you follow St. Francis, right? The spirituality and...
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Thank you so much. Yeah?
Thank you.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ciao. You see? They follow the spiritual of St. Francis, and there's a lady who's giving an interview. I will link it at the end of this video, and you can listen to the beautiful interview. Isn't that beautiful? That is joyful. That is Catholic faith in action. Joyful, happy young people. God bless you all from Medjugorje. Have a good day wherever you are, and keep the joy, spread the joy. That's what the world needs. We all need to spread joy. Bye bye for now.